Okay, you guys. Whew, I'm so tired. So we are in one of the most prettiest places in Hiiumaa, which is called Leemetti matkarajat or suusarajat. It's a skiing track in Leemetti. And I just discovered it this fall and I am like, my mind is blown that there are so many hills here. Because Hiiumaa is kind of flat, but over here there are some big hills. And that's why it's the skiing track. And I took the sledge and I figured I'd come and sledge here. But the snow is so thick and I think that my sledge is a little bit rusty. So it doesn't work on like the hills that I tried. But here we made it to a bigger hill. You know it's a good hill when they actually name the hill. So this one is called Puranikas. No idea what it means. But we're gonna go and try if our sledge works with this hill. How beautiful is this place? And I had no idea it exists. Okay, the sledge right down was a little bit slopey. Maybe it would be better if Jack wouldn't be trying to attack me the whole time. But, wow. I mean, wow! Come on! Hey, Jack! These little ones are really struggling with the weight of the snow. Oh, okay, let's continue. This is so beautiful. Ah! You're welcome, little trees. Yay! I saved them. Grow a healthy and a big life. And I hope that the big, mean harvesters don't come and kill you. And you can live until the old age. Until it's your time to go. Best of luck. Okay, guys, look what happened to Jack. Look at this. Jack, look at this. Can you see? We need to stop and help Jack. So there is so much heavy snow. It looks so beautiful, but also I hear like trees cracking all the time. And they're just breaking under the weight of the heavy snow. And there has been so many trees on the track. So I've been doing the work here, helping to get the trees away from the road. But really, like Jack's hair, like the snow gets stuck there so bad. Look at this. Look at this. Jack, mis see on? Jack, me peame sind aitama. Poor Jacku. Jacku, joo, valus on kõik hästi, Jack. sul on valus on ju. Jack, ma ütlen sind. Sul on valus. Oh, it's hurting him so bad. Oh. I brought some food, so we're gonna have a little picnic, and I think we reached the last big hill because it's called the Sunset. So the name doesn't, it seems a little bit dangerous, and it's a big hill, so that's gonna be our last landing. But first we're gonna eat some and take care of the situation here. Right, Jack? But you guys, it's so beautiful here, and there has been not one person here. The parking lot was empty. It's so good that I can do this on the weekdays when everybody else is working. So I have the whole Hiiumaa to myself. Okay, Jack. Guys, I think Jack just has to defreeze. I think that's the best bet, because if I pick them out, it's gonna hurt and take the hair with it, and I think he just has to go to the car and unfreeze. Jack, you just have to live with it until we get to the end. I'm so sorry. Oh, this is life. Cheers! I know I said it a million times, but wow, where did my voice go? I said it already a million times, but thank you again for being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You don't know what it means to me to have the support when you're an underdog, when you're starting out, when you're not where you want to be. To have that support, that will mean like a million times more than the support you have once you're famous. You know, when I was a basketball player, when I was like nothing, I needed help then. When I was already in the national team and professional and all conference, blah, blah, blah. That's not when you need people. You need people when you're struggling and when you are trying something new, you know. So it means so much that you are here. Cheers to you. I wish you all the best. Okay, so I put Jack on a tree for a second. Jack, seisa! Kõik hästi, points. So this is the sunset, so let's give it a try. Jack, kõik hästi! Alright, you guys, this has been so much fun. Thank you again for being here. If you liked the video, please push the like button. Leave me a comment below. What have you done in the winter for fun? I just realized that why am I pulling the sledge if I have Jack? So now I have Jack to do the work, but I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you again for being here, and I'll see you soon. Bye.